Oh, there is a lot of work to do. Well, let's begin. So, first of all, we have Thomas from Bachmann, moving eyes, really clean model, very clean model. You've seen this engine on my previous videos, and it comes with Annie, which is also very clean, no missing parts, very clean model. And Clarabel, here's Clarabel, very clean set. So it comes with a track, just one track, nothing else, and the power pack. It works. Now I'm just gonna do a little test here, so you can see it is moving. Oops, it's not on the tracks. There. Switch directions. Oh, too fast. You can go all the way very fast. Really fast. Okay, let's see the moving eyes. There you can see it's moving the eyes. So this set includes this power pack, everything, the controller, no missing parts for Tomas, Annie and Clarabel. Everything is in clean working condition. So I'm going to just give you a close-up so you can see some little tiny scratches on the roof there. Just that's the only thing I can see. If you're interested, if you see the link under the description, it's available. If you don't see it, it's already sold. Now the price, I'm just comparing the price I'm seeing right now on eBay. That's how much they cost only for the model Thomas and Annie Clarabel. And this includes the power supply, the speed controller with the switch direction from Bachmann original, very clean also. And here is Thomas. Again, no missing parts. I don't see any scratches. So, link in the description.